all know why we're here. We have exactly 12 hours, 36 minutes and 15 seconds to create the most magical, spontaneous, romantic atmosphere known to man or beast. Well, these... Right. Need I remind you that if the last petal falls from this